Teresa here with the Sterling Insurance Group. I wanted to reach on out to you real quick because we've noticed that replacement costs on homes have been going up over the course of the last couple months. We're seeing that insurance carriers are starting to also increase those replacement costs because not only is there a shortage on lumber and all sorts of construction materials, but also the construction companies are super busy. So because of that, there has been a drastic increase in the amount that it would take to be able to rebuild your home in the local area. So because of that, the insurance companies are raising the dwelling value of your homeowner's insurance policy. So that way we can make sure that you get to rebuild your home in an appropriate manner. If you want to be able to take a look at that and discuss it, please give us a call. We would love to help you on out with that. But my name is Teresa Kitchens, and I'm with the Sterling Insurance Group, and we would love to talk to you about the replacement value on your home. Give us a call at 972-964-4825. Talk to you soon.